Howdy y'all and good morning. It's day 2 here at Ormond Beach. For those of you that don't know, Ormond Beach is located just north of Daytona Beach here in Florida. It is now currently our second day here, and we're fixing to make some gravy and biscuits. We as in my wife. And guys, you understand how that is. They do the cooking, we just do the eating. Anyway, I'm not exactly sure what we're going to do today, but we're going to get started, and we'll take you along for the ride as we go. And anyway, talk at you later. Have a good one.